you have extra fat on your chest and you're uncomfortable because of that extra fat, then please remember you're not alone. Hi, I'm Dr. Amit. I'm founder director of Divine Aesthetic Surgery. Now, if you feel you have a lot of extra fat or tissues on your chest, please know you're not alone. Every year, more than 800 patients come to us to perform this procedure to get rid of the extra fat. In the last 18 years, I've treated more than 8,000 such patients, and all of them have common problems of inability to wear t-shirt or feel that everything is normal in their own body. So if this is a concern for you, please do not worry because there are simple solutions for this. Do connect with my team if you want to know further about how you can manage the extra fat on your chest.